under the insert tab, just click on slide number. When you keep your cursor, it will show you insert slide number. Click on it. So there are many options. So if you just want to give slide number, and just click this box, and the right side, this is preview. So you see there are three boxes, one this, one the middle, one is the right one. So when you select slide number, it will appear here. So it means that your the slide numbers or page numbers will appear at the right bottom corner. And here are two options: just apply to this slide or just apply to all. Let's apply to all. You see it appear here: number 1 slide, number 2 slide, number 3 slide, number 4 slide, right? It is pre-movable, you see. But when you want to do changes, you have to do with every slides. For example, if I change this one, let's do changes. Increase the size and make it bold. So it will only change this one number slide. The second is that, like that, you see. So when you want to change, you do manually, right? Just giving slide numbers will not help you, because when you are presenting, so the audience do not know that how many slides the presenter has. So sometimes they become bored. So I will tell you one thing. For example, in this PowerPoint presentation, I have 14 slides, right? So if I give here 14, 1 over 14 manually, and this is 2 over 14, and similarly 3 over 14, 4 over 14, something like that. And when I am presenting, you see, so the audience easily understand that this presenter has 14 slides, and now he is on slide number 1. So if I go to second slide, you see, so 2 over 14. This means now I'm in second slide, and my total slides are 14. So if they are bored or they have some other tasks, so they can realize from the slides that this presenter has how many slides and how much time he will take. Besides slide numbers, you can also give date and time. Just click this box, and automatically date will appear as well as time. So you see in preview, so in the left corner, date and time will appear, at the right corner slide numbers will appear. So you just try this, you see it appear here. So today is 12th of January 2018, you see. So it's in your R slides. Yes, appear here. And this is one of the way, and you can also change the date if you wish. For example, if you want to use this format, apply to all, you see, Friday, today's Friday, I'm making this video, today's Friday, January 12th 2018. Okay, and if you don't like here, you can bring it to here, any place, you see, and you can modify this by increasing the size, whatever you wish. Yes, so this is how we give slide number. If you enjoy the video, please like it and subscribe for more video. Thanks for watching.